In this video, I'll explain whether you can delete Chase transaction history and what your options are. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you're trying to delete transactions on the Chase app, let's figure out whether that's actually possible. After opening the Chase mobile app and signing into your account, you might start looking through your transaction history for a delete or remove option. However, you'll quickly notice that Chase doesn't provide a way to delete individual transactions from your account history. The reason for this is that banks are required to keep records of account activity for security, fraud prevention, and regulatory purposes. So whether it's a purchase, deposit, transfer, or withdrawal, those records remain part of your account history and can't be permanently removed by the account holder. That being said, if your goal is simply to make certain information less visible, there are a few alternatives available within the app. By tapping on the More button in the bottom right corner, and then going to Profile and Settings, you'll find the Account Settings section. Here, Chase provides a Show or Hide Accounts feature. This allows you to hide specific accounts from your main dashboard. For example, if you have a savings account that you don't want appearing on the home screen, you can disable the toggle next to that account and it will no longer be displayed on your dashboard. Another useful feature is the Search and Filter functionality within your transaction history. Instead of scrolling through every transaction, you can search by merchant name, keyword, or date range to quickly find the information you're looking for and keep your transaction list easier to navigate. You can also increase your privacy by switching to paperless statements. Inside Account Settings, you'll find a paperless option where you can enroll your accounts in digital statements and have them delivered to your email instead of your physical mailbox. So, can you delete transactions on the Chase app? Unfortunately, no. Chase does not allow customers to remove or erase transaction history. The closest alternatives are hiding accounts from your dashboard, using transaction filters to organize your history, and enabling paperless statements for added privacy. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.